Sławek with before and after, great job making it look premium. It's what we need. Little by little we can make it fantastic. Alex updating a label that doesn't mean anything anymore, but now it has a meaning, so great job. Nice job Peter upgrading the Kanban holders on the lasers, look premium now. And I made a standard location for the tube capping machine. And Jake and Jim have made big changes to the way we print orders and also put them into the shipping wall. So on our printing system, Jake's reordered them in the exact order, the same as the slots on the wall. So it makes it much better and quicker to put them in, so it eliminates the waste and the struggle of trying to look for the correct slot to put them in. So it's great visual control, great job. And nice work Sam removing the bar from the racking to allow easy access, and also a deep clean on the glue gun. It's never been done, so now it works fantastic, great job. And Kieran setting a standard on cleaning the press brake tooling, and Charlie with a before and after, making it premium, great job. Nice work Jake, simplifying a process, taking a full A4 sheet to a simple flow chart, easy to follow, great job. And Jim with a 3S sweeping under the stairs, before and after, looks good. And also adding a tray for the sent orders.
So I've made the scanner auto scans, you have to push the button, so saves half the time.
Fantastic improvement Jim, and great job everyone.